If you grow green cucumber varieties and have, instead of the normal green color cucumber fruit, you have a white colored cucumber, this may mean you have a problem with your plant. There are three main reasons as to why this can happen. A fungus called powdery mildew is one of the causes of this whitened cucumber fruit. A deficiency in sunlight or blanching can also cause white cucumbers. Overwatering can also make your cucumber turn white due to a lack of nutrients, mainly phosphorus. Do not eat these cucumbers covered by a cottony leek or powdery mildew. They won't taste good, but this mold can also have dangerous toxins, and this can cause stomach problems or an allergic reaction. When unusual colors of the fruit is caused by blanching or excessive moisture, such as too much rain, these cucumbers are still safe to eat, but due to the vitamin deficiency, they may have a significant loss of taste. Everything I just said matters if you grow varieties of green cucumber. But there are also true white cucumber varieties that you can grow in your garden today. And these white cucumbers are not only just safe to eat, but in comparison to green cucumbers, they are much tastier, sweeter, crunchier, and they lack a bitter taste or a rough skin. The cucumber vine itself is resistant to diseases and drought. And there are many varieties with names starting with pearl or white, but unfortunately they're all hybrids. And if you want to collect your own seeds, they will be different from the parent plant, especially if you grow green heirloom varieties of cucumbers nearby. Your pearl varieties will eventually just become ordinary green cucumbers in the next generation. But I'll tell you a secret, and I'll show you an heirloom ancestor of white cucumber hybrids that naturally exists. And if you try this one, I can assure you that you will switch all of your green pickling cucumbers entirely. Please meet Poona Kheera cucumbers. Botanically classified as Cucumis sativus, they are a rare heirloom variety belonging to the Cucurbitaceae family. The word Kheera translates from Hindi to mean cucumber, and Poona is the city from which the variety originated in India. White cucumbers have many antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and are rich in vitamins B. Just 1 cup of white cucumbers can give you up to 20% of your daily recommended amount of vitamin K. They also contain minerals such as potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and copper. That cucumber can also contain vitamins A and C, which can help boost the immune system and reduce inflammation. The cucumbers are unique from other varieties, as they can be used at any stage in maturity. In India, the variety is traditionally sold when it is younger with tender yellow skin. But Poona Kheera cucumbers can also be harvested when they are mature, displaying a rusty, tough brown skin. Poona Kheera cucumbers are easily found in local markets across India, but outside of the country, the variety is considered rare and is primarily cultivated through specialty growers. Poona Kheera cucumbers are native to Pune, which is the second largest city in the state of Maharashtra, India. Poona Kheera is an incredibly strong heirloom plant compared to the regular green heirloom cucumbers, because just one plant can easily take up to 2 meters of space in diameter because it branches intensively. The main stem at the ground can reach 3 to 4 centimeters in diameter. Poona Kheera cucumber plants also show strong resistance to a variety of common cucumber plant diseases and pests. In the hot and humid summer weather, when the green cucumber varieties stay covered with powdered mildew, these white cucumbers stay mostly green and healthy, and as a result, by fall time in October, when the green cucumbers are almost done with vegetation due to these diseases, Poona Kheera is still green and full of blooms and berries. These white cucumbers stay delicious at any stage of maturity, and they do not become tender or bitter or sour when they get older. The Poona Kheera white cucumber plant has a high crop yield. Even from one plant, I can collect a bucket of berries, as long as I follow one important condition. I need pollinators in my garden. I need bees and bumblebees. In order to grow lots of cucumbers, I would recommend you plant some flowering plants that attract pollinators around your cucumbers. You can watch the video on our channel on how to attract pollinators to your garden. The link will be below. I will definitely collect and save my own seeds of this unusual fruit for next year because I really fell in love with this white cucumber, Poona Kheera.